Let us make palm oil rice. Here we have onions, tomatoes, garlic, rice, seasoning cube, pepper, scent leaf. Then I've already washed my rice with hot water. I'm not going to fry anything here. I'm going to put everything at once. Just sit down, carry your popcorn, relax so that you can learn this method the easiest way so that you eat everything fresh all the time. You don't need to fry. After washing my rice, I poured my tomatoes, that is the blended, the chopped pepper, then the onions. I've already chopped it too. I poured it inside. I don't like waste. I use my spatula. I carry all my onions, make sure all of them enter well. Then I come with my spring onions. I like the green part. I bring my salt and my seasoning cube added to it. Yes. If you try this method, you thank me later. This is my fish. I've already washed it. I added the fish. You remember I told you have to add everything from the beginning, including your palm oil. Just wait. The next thing you are going to see is the palm oil. Drop your palm oil inside the rice. Don't put plenty, or else when you finish cooking, palm oil go just settle for ground. Say, this woman no sabi cook. You cover and be doing other things. I added my Chefbas pepper soup spice. I use it for my native rice. That is banga spice. Pepper soup, soup condiments. All are Chefbas. If you cook without Chefbas spice, what do you gain? Nothing. I added little of shawarma spice into it. I like the aroma it gives to my food, and I cover it. This thing go just dey cook and dey do other things. Then I added bell pepper inside. You know now all the vitamins needs to complete for this food. Yes, the other one na scent leaf. Rice don done. You dey see am? E make sense. E make sense. Check out this rice. The rice makes sense die. At this point, I was just taking it off from side by side to make sure say water not remain inside. Then you allow it to steam at this point so that the rice go 411. This rice makes sense. If you taste this rice, say you not go give anybody. If you are the type that like food, that don't like sharing, you end up not sharing with anyone. Rice is cooked too. At this point, I'm adding my scent leaf. Apart from making it colorful, scent leaf has a very strong nutritional value and health benefit. I cook virtually every local food with it. You stare at this point. My throat just dey do me. Test am, carry am put for mouth, but I just dey hold myself. I dey hold myself. This rice makes sense. If you no sabi cook, just stand up for Cook with the Lawyer's Recipe. Remember to like this video, subscribe to Cook with the Lawyer Recipe, and put on your notification button so that whenever we drop posts, you'll be the first person to see our video. You have a lot to learn from this channel. At this point, I say make I taste this food. Person when cook the chop now. See the face of the Cook with the Lawyer's Recipe. The only lawyer that can cook. More. This rice makes sense. Die. Where you dey? Just tell me where you are watching from. I feel package this food sent for you. Not take me joke. The rice makes sense. Die. More. Honestly, see am now. I dey confirm am. The rice sweet. My brothers and sisters, all you will do in this channel is to learn cooking. Cook better food, not be product, or not be carry food when you go just carry spices for your food. No, this one na healthy eating. Remember, so poro dey this thing. Dry prawn dey inside, dry fish dey inside, palm oil, all of them na healthy food. Thank you for watching, and remember to drop the area where you are watching from. Thank you.